Hello once again, I'm Sam Reichard with DeSotoCountyNewsroom.com, your DeSoto Weather Almanac on the weekends, brought to you by Pounders Repair. They're located at 345 East Commerce Street in Hernando, and they specialize in diesel repair and performance. Today we're going to have mostly sunny skies with a high temperature of 85, low 64. Winds will be from the south, 10 to 20 miles an hour, maybe gusting to 30 at times. What's the average this time of year, you ask? Well, 75 is the average high, 55 the average low. Record high temperature set on this date in 1965 was 89 degrees. The record low in 1959 was 37 degrees. No rain to report to you in the last 24 hours. Our sunrise today will be at 6:18. It sets this evening at 7:39. You have 2 minutes more daylight today compared to yesterday.